Hi everybody. I want to show you this pretty cool extra battery that you can use with your cell phone. Now it's a power bank that you can use for anything, but this one is specifically for phones so that you can either charge it wirelessly or by wire. So here it is. It comes in this box right here, and it is very thin, very light, so when you add it to your phone, it's not that big of a deal. It connects magnetically really well. It even tells you which side to put it on right there. And see, it's charging already. And right there, showing that it's charging. And so it has a light to let you know how much battery it is in it. And the great thing it is, I can turn it off. So right here. So now it's off and it is not charging, so that I can have it on my phone and not use it until it's needed. Once it's needed, when I'm low on battery from my phone, I turn it on. This will start charging wirelessly. It will take a little bit longer. It could take up to a couple hours. But if I want to do it a little bit faster, then it comes with the cable, and I can connect USB to USB or USB to the port of the phone and charge it that way. This will work for any cell phone, whether it is iPhone or Android. And again, it's very, you can't see that it's not moving anywhere. And it is TORRAS. TORRAS makes neck fans and makes phone cases and makes a lot of very quality product. I have quite a few of them, and this is really, really nice. The material is really good. You can drop it and it will still work. Obviously, you don't want to drop it from a 5-story building or anything like that, but if you're dropping it from here, from your hands or the table, you're perfectly fine. Again, very thin. Again, this is the button to turn it on. Once you turn it on, it gives you the light that is on, and it will let you know when it's charging, or it will let you know when it's being charged or when it is charging something else, when it's releasing the charge. Obviously, it will charge a little bit slower from wirelessly than it will charge from plugging it in. Both ways, the device itself will take a little bit longer to charge if it is wirelessly being charged, or it will also take a little bit longer to charge your phone if you're doing it wirelessly. But again, it will charge a little bit faster if you plug it in. Now I have a case, so that's why this can work on the case. If you don't have a case with a magnet, then some of the cases that TORRAS sells comes with a little attachment so that you can plug it to your phone and attach it there. Another good feature from TORRAS is, again, they sell the cases that if they don't have the ring, they have the attachment of the ring to attach to the case. And then again, you attach it there. It's charging. And so I can't say anything more about this because, I mean, I've said it all. This is great. I hope that you guys find it as useful and as efficient as I am. Hi everybody. Today I want to show you these 2 cases that I got from TORRAS. They have a lot of different models, different colors, but these are the 2 that I want to show you. They come in these boxes right here. They are very good quality. I have had them before. I actually have another one of their case over here that I've been using for over a year, but I wanted to show you this. They come in this really nice package, and we take it out, and this one is this like black smoke, and it's rubbery, so it's plastic, so it's going to protect your phone in case that it falls. The corners are reinforced, and it does have the magnet right here that you can use. You can turn it around, you can use to hold it, you can use it as a stand, and you can use it even to a side stand. and the buttons and everything. This is really nice. And this other case that I have is this clear one. Now this one has the silver buttons right here, but this comes with attachments so you can change it depending on the color of your phone, whether you want to have this different colors. It also has the magnetic stand, and you can rotate any way you want for holding it or standing. And it's still very nice plastic and reinforced corners. So overall, both of them are really nice. Like I said, I have this is more like a purplish color because my phone is purple, and so I wanted to have the same color, and it has the middle ring so that you can use it for a stance vertically, or you can use it horizontally like that. You can also use it in your hand, and or any way you want. It rotates everywhere, and again, it's strong enough to hold the phone. You can use it anywhere on the table, inside, outside. I like the corners are reinforced, and again the edges to protect the camera lens. See what right here, if you can see the lip for the camera. So it's not covering the camera because that will distort your pictures or video. So it just has the lip that goes past the camera. So again, if it falls, it protects it. And both of them on the other colors have it too. Let's put it right there so you can see them right there. And I like the fact that on this one you can change the buttons if you want to, depending on the phone you have or the color of the phone you have. But and very nice quality. I hope that you guys find it as good quality, as useful, as convenient, and as stylish as I am.